In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Webflow and bubbleio. If you're finding yourself torn between these two powerful platforms, this guide will help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Both platforms offer unique advantages, but knowing exactly what you want to accomplish will steer you in the right direction. First, let's talk about Webflow. This platform is an excellent choice if you're aiming to build a marketing website, portfolio, a blog, a landing page, or a company website. What makes it particularly attractive is its ability to craft beautiful, custom website designs. So, if aesthetics are a priority for you and you need something visually stunning, Webflow has you covered. Add to that its strong SEO capabilities, which are crucial for improving your website's visibility in search engines. Fast loading times are another key feature. Webflow ensures your marketing pages load quickly, enhancing user experience and potentially boosting your site's ranking. If you need a robust content management system or CMS, coupled with advanced animations and interactions, Webflow excels in offering these functionalities. Moreover, it fosters easier collaboration with designers, making it a go-to for design-focused teams. These strengths make Webflow ideal for building agency websites, SaaS marketing sites, portfolios, blogs, and corporate websites. On the other hand, if your project demands more complex interactive elements, bubbleio might be the way to go. This platform shines when you're building a web app with user accounts, databases, workflows, and a host of complex functionalities. If you require features like user registration and login, user dashboards, and database-driven applications, Bubble is built to accommodate these kinds of needs seamlessly. For those aiming to create marketplace functionalities, like an Airbnb-style marketplace, or to develop internal business tools that streamline operations, Bubble offers the flexibility needed to bring these concepts to life. You'll also find it beneficial for constructing applications like CRM systems, job boards, client portals, social networks, or even MVPs for SaaS products. Complex workflows and automation are easily managed within Bubble, making it a robust choice for interactive web app development. Ultimately, the simplest rule to determine your choice comes down to this. Go with Webflow if the primary focus is on developing a visually appealing marketing site or personal portfolio. Opt for Bubble if you're setting out to create a web app driven by interactions, user accounts, and sophisticated database needs. Both platforms have their strengths, but by aligning these strengths with your project requirements, you can ensure you choose the right tool to bring your vision to life. Remember, while both Webflow and Bubble offer powerful features, it's all about matching those features with your specific project goals.